What's up guys, today we are going to install the Cardo Pack Talk Edge second helmet kit on my new KYT KX-1 GP race. First step is to get your sticky mount placed, but you need to grab your alcohol prep pad and clean the surface before, and the best placement I found for this helmet is right here at an angle all the way to the back. Now that you have your Cardo mount adapter installed, next you're going to grab a sticky pad and insert this in the ear section right there to get the speakers to stick to something. Now that you can see the sticky pads in there, you're going to place your speaker directly on that. That's one speaker done. Let's run the other one to the other side. So now that we got both speakers in, I'm big on wire management. So I like to put little pieces of electrical tape along the wire in the helmet. I need one more piece right there to keep it down, just so it's not bouncing around at all. That is it on how to install Cardo on the new KYT KX-1 Race GP.